What's good, everybody? Welcome back to La Tapatia. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Yanni Miranda, and your girl has not made a video in forever. And your girl's about to go to KC. Road trip, bro, huh?
Yeah, road trip. I mean, I had to stay stuck with her in a car for 8 hours.
Bro, you finna be asleep, watch. He ain't even finna drive, but...
Take a whole nap. It'll be my Uber.
Your girl just got back from a trip, actually, from Mexico. So if y'all want to check out kind of how that went, check out my TikTok. I'm going to leave the description down in the bottom. So check that out.
Bet, so we going to KC.
Okay, guys, so we're in Kansas City. We're at a truck meet for Primo Brian.
You already know, acá en Kansas, Olathe.
Yup. I'm going to show y'all his truck. Yeah, La Calabaza coming in clutch. Sheesh. Okay, guys, let's do a fit check. Una Faisuli with las botas, bro.
Oh, yeah.
The Buka jeans, el cinto, oh shit. Black top.
The nails.
El bro, el hermano.
Oh, sí.
Las botas. Shit, my bad. Fernando. Tatuaje over here. Sunglasses, everything. El primo.
You already know, bien vaquero.
Yeah. Shit, my bad. We're dando la vuelta in the truck meet. The truck's been looking nice as fuck. Little montage. The truck meet went like this. We're over here stranded. La Calabaza got took down after the truck meet. We were on our way to go parrandeando and he's down. Pobre Calabaza, bro. Calabacita's down. Calabaza's down, bro. La grúa ya llegó a salvar la calabaza, bro. Breaking down those Starbucks, bro.
Bro,
right?
you are being so mean to me.
We're gonna have some fun here in a bit. We are at the Rush.
The go-kart's about to be lit.
Yeah. Stay tuned, bro. We're about to be rolling up in these things. Who's gonna win?
Obviously me, top contestant. You see, I'm number whatever this says.
Number 0.
Number 69.
Loser,
You already
bro.
know.
Oh, you already know, bro. I gotta win for La Calabaza. You know, I gotta win for her.
I already know I paid for Brian.
What do you think's winning?
Hey, I already know I'm gonna win. Cause I be driving straight. They be driving like,
Hey, let's be honest. I don't think Kirsten made a good investment in paying for Brian. Like,
bro, what? That's
Yeah, bro. Hey, bro, at least she has a job, bro. Hey, you got a job, he don't.
beat him in a race.
Yo, ready to drive? Bro, little cuz about to jump. Oh! La prima. Oh, shit. Hey, primo. She's falling and she can't get up. Give me your hand, bro. And bro, about to go. Oh, shit. El primo. Go, Brian, you got it. Brian. Oh.
All right, Vinay, you got this. Awesome, man. Hey, Vinay, stuck out there. Oh, shoot. Se atoró.
Approximately 10 hours later.
She got out.
Dang, where's the primo going? Oh shit, that's my brother.
Bruh.
I thought it was El Primo. Oh fuck, there's El Primo. Ah! Your girl is on a mission. Who we attacking? Spotted. Target. Ah, I missed. Oh shit, he's attacking me back. Oh shit. Oh shit. I'm being attacked. Abort mission. Hey, we in downtown Kansas, bro.
You already know. KC.
they got good ass views, unlike Colorado.
I'm gonna show y'all the view over here. Alright, we in downtown Kansas.
The cheese right there. Man, our state isn't that big of like sports. I don't really see people.
I think we're gonna end this video right here. I know it was something different. It wasn't much of me talking. If you guys do in the future, like, want to see a video like that, if you guys asking me questions that I could answer, or I don't know, just let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a like. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on your post notification so you're notified when I upload a new video. And with that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.